Mentagasi ka Patrick Umi ajar apsau nagaliang jong ka Mekhaya Board of School Education kala penbena ya ka result jong ki science and commerce streams and also for the vocational streams, but kini gide kita ki candidates ki bala pass bha but ki ba yo ru ha ka top 10 jong ka science streams banukong today bawa Pule hapo ka Laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School Shillong utau de usohan bata chargi balayo ya ka marks hadu sauspa apply marks but uni ulayo ha kerdan ka banukong du but ula du jong ka snyam arajar alsau but kerdan baat terter layo da ugarden ku pa nongbri bapule po sain ademan balayo sauspa nyu punriu kerdan ka balai Armekar Mapna Saint Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong South Panyu Phuai Basau Gidon Arngut Architect Patanayak Laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School but Emma ba Ahun Saint Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong Ibalayo Mar South Panyu Phomak Basan la yo da I ri la akor lamare Bapule po Saint Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong Layo South Pandu Pramax Bandriu ke Vasangpui Saint Edmund Higher Secondary School Sauspa Andrew Pundriu. Nang takidon arngut sa iwe padi di iwe hanung tudu lakiang popular po North Liberty Higher Secondary School Mokerdop Jawai Sauspa Andrew Pundriu. Banyo Josavia Onam Paswet North Liberty Higher Secondary School Mokerdop Jawai Sauspa Andrew Po but Bapra Abhijit Deb Laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School Sauspa Santunai Bakhnai Gidan Arngut Freddy Lengkoi Secret Heart Boys Higher Secondary School Shillong but di Edward Polong Lamare Saint Edmunds Higher Secondary School Shillong di Belayo Mar Sauspa Santusan Mak but Bakhadu Lane Baship Ho Balai Yora da u Kevin Strong Laurenya Bala Puli Hapo Mairang Presbyterian Science College Higher Secondary School Section Mairang Dikini gide kita gispongut kibala yo ya ka top 10 jong usnem arajar apsau haka science stream bala pelai da ka embos lane ka Mekhaya Board of School Education. Shu kini gide ki kena ki bala yo ya ki mak ki ba hedu haki subject jong ki ba pher te bala wan banungkong la yo he mak du da Josavia Onam Paswet bapule hapo North Liberty Higher Secondary School Mokerdop Jawai balayo hemak pa haka subject English kata kamak kabuluyo kadai khandai puar marks but ka position kabauyo kadai ka first division nangta kabaar ki don arngut ki Vasan Pui Saint Edmunds Higher Secondary School but I Fatima Jasmania Begum Saint Anthony's Higher Secondary School jong ke Vansan Pui jong ka alternative English beliau kandai Pui Max nangta jong I Fatima Jasminara Begum jong ka Assamese MIL beliau kandai Pui Max ni balai Sarjanina Parvin Saint Anthony's Higher Secondary School Bengali in MIL balayo kandai Saumak nangta basau Malsi Radi Sangma Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Tura balayo prapoi mak haka subject Garo nangta Shalnire bapule po Saint Anthony's Higher Secondary School balayo prapoi mak haka subject Hindi nangta Ritalian Dingdo bapule po RK Mission Higher Secondary School Shirapanji beliau kandai sama haka subjek Khasi nangta Armekar Mapna Saint Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong beliau kandai sama haka subjek Khasi Jonathan Lang Tapuya beliau Prabsan Mak haka subjek Mizo bapule po Adventist Higher Secondary School Thalasking nangta Deepak Sapkota bapule po Gorkha Pathshala Higher Secondary School Shillong beliau praphomak haka subjek Nepali nangta Aizram M Marak bapule po Ampati Government Higher Secondary School Ampati balayo New Punrumak haka subjek Agriculture nangta Jenny Bakamen Lingdo Maudo bapule po Umshirpi College Shillong balayo prap somak ha ka anthropology. James Anderson Kharlingdo Maharam Government High Secondary School Makorwat balayo khnai phu laimak ha subject beauty and wellness. Nata arme karmapna Saint Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong balayo khnai somak ha ka subject biology. Ami ba Aihun Kharbi Saint Anthony's Higher Secondary School balayo khnai somak ha ka subject biology. Shushu bakhalai layo da Ankitat Patnayak Lawan Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School ba layo khandai mak hak subject chemistry. Ame ba Aihun Kharbi St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School ba layo khandai mak hak subject chemistry. Nangta bakhat saw Ankitat Patnayak Lawan Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School ba layo khandai mak hak subject computer science. But Myron Tobias Shabong St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School bayok khandai pramak ha subject computer science. Bakhatsan Bandri Kneko e Arek Rong Grengiri Government High Secondary School William Nagar bayok prapunrumak ha subject electronics and hardware. Nangta Techi Anung St. John White Hall Higher Secondary School Shillong bayok prap somak subject geography. Nangta Oki Roy Sumer Kiang Nongba Government Higher Secondary School Jowai beliau South San Mak subject geology. Da Hun Shisha Lengkoi Maharam Government Higher Secondary School Makorwat beliau kandai pemak subject healthcare. Bad Ulam Linti Shangdiar Maharam Government Higher Secondary School Makorwat beliau kandai pemak subject healthcare. Bakat kandai Ismitara Begum St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School beliau kandai pemak subject home science. Nangta Tangrong Valti 7 Set Ani Higher Secondary School Shillong beliau prap somak ha subject informatic practices. Nangta Bayatli Lang Marangar Government Higher Secondary School Shillong beliau khandai pu pramak subject information technology. But Udio Juvante Riwan Government High Secondary School Shillong beliau khandai pu pramak subject information technology. Nata Debdeep Chanda Laban Bengali Higher Secondary School Shillong beliau cispa mak atau subjek matematik. Dan Kupanong Bri beliau cispa mak atau subjek matematik. Berpulih po Saint Edmund Higher Secondary School. Nada Komering Tilong Saint Edmund Higher Secondary School cispa mak subjek matematik. Van Sangpui 100 marks subject mathematics. Josavia on Nampas Wet cispa mak subjek matematik berpulih po North Liberty Higher Secondary School Mo Kerdop Jawai. Wei Bhanung Tudu Lakiang North Liberty Higher Secondary School Mo Kerdop Jawai beliau cispa mak subjek matematik. Tofani Suchiang North Liberty Higher Secondary School Mo Kerdop Jawai beliau cispa mak subjek matematik. Arpolai Lawan Kemen Sutiang RK Mission Higher Secondary School Sirapunji kandai pulai mak subject physical education. Swan Bata Charji Lawan Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School Shillong cispa mak subject physics. Lawrence Me Shambha Shipkhain Shillong College Higher Secondary School Shillong do pu mark subject statistic. But Alwindar Pasentiu Government Boys Higher Secondary School Shillong kandai punyo mak haka subject tourism and hospitality. Kini kita ki kena ki balayo he ha ki subject bapel ha ki jungpulai ki jungki.